In today's recipe, I'll be showing you how I cook my jollof rice and delicious pepper chicken. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video. So here I have tomatoes, bell peppers, shombo, atarudo, and onions. I'll be blending all of this into a paste, but because my blender is not a high powered blender, I'm helping my blender by cutting the onions into halves. Next, I'll put in the tomatoes and the peppers and add some water. Yes, I'll be adding some water and I'll be blending it into a paste, a not too smooth paste. Yeah, you can see this is the consistency I want for it. Next, I'll pour my cleaned chicken into a pot. I'll add onions and add some salt. I'll also add seasoning powder, some curry powder, and thyme. I'll give it a mix or a gentle mix and I'll cover it and let it simmer on low heat for 10 minutes to get out the chicken juice. After 10 minutes, this is what the chicken looks like. It is not properly cooked yet, so I'll add more water and also add some bay leaves. I'll give it a nice stir. I'll mix it well and then I'll cover it and cook it for 10 minutes on high heat. Now chicken is ready and here it is. So I'll be separating the chicken from the chicken stock. I like to do this because it helps me with the other process or the next thing I'm going to do, which you will see as we continue in this video. By the way, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, leave a comment, and of course share it. So I'll be straining out the chicken stock. I like my chicken stock clean, but it's not compulsory that you strain it out. You can use it just as it is, but I just like to strain out my chicken stock. Anyway, I'm going to be setting this aside because it is very necessary. Now I'll add some water in a clean pot and also add my cleaned rice. For this recipe, I used Nigerian rice, which is actually short grained rice, and it is delicious. It turned out lovely. I would parboil this rice for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'll strain out the water. I'll dispose the rice water, and of course, I'll set aside my parboiled rice. Here is my fry pan. In it, I just added groundnut oil. You can use any type of oil, but I love the taste of groundnut oil. So I'll allow this oil to be hot, properly hot, and then fry my chicken. You know, I believe that fry my chicken when the oil is really hot just helps me fry my chicken faster. That's my belief. You can tell me what you think in the comment section. Now I'm going to be frying both sides of the chicken to attain this lovely, attractive, golden brown color that you see. I love this. I love this. So after frying both sides, I'll take out the chicken and of course I'll set it aside. Now I'll add some of the oil I used to fry the chicken in a big pot. This is to intensify the flavor. I'd also be adding sliced onions. If you don't like to see onions in your rice or in your food, you can skip this part or blend the onions, but I love to see onions in my food. Next, I'll be adding some tomato paste, but before then, I just had to do a quick cleanup. Don't mind me, sometimes I just like to clean as I cook. So I'll be frying this tomato paste for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'll add the blended tomatoes, peppers, and onions. I'll mix it well. Next, I'll add some seasoning powder, some salt, thyme, and curry powder. I'll also be adding the chicken stock I set aside earlier. I'll mix it properly Yes, mixing it is really important. I'll mix it properly and then I'll cook it for 10 to 15 minutes. This is the stew base after cooking for 15 minutes. Now I'll add my fried chicken and then I'll just let it simmer in the stew base for about 5 minutes. Don't forget to like this video once more. If you followed me to this point, subscribe to this channel, share this video, and of course, follow me. Thank you. So after 5 minutes, I'm taking out the chicken and then I'll set it aside. Next, I'll add some water in the stew base. I'll mix it well because if I don't mix it well, some of the stew base will be settled down and it may cause the rice to burn without the rice being properly cooked. So this is the reason why I mix it well. Next, I'll add more thyme, more curry, more seasoning powder, and more salt. If you'd like to know the exact measurements of what I used, you can check my blog. I'll also be adding bay leaves. I'll allow the mixture to boil properly. Now that the mixture is boiling, let's check it out. You can see the oil floating on the mixture. So now I'll add my parboiled rice. This process helps to have jollof rice that is not sticky. Yes, I'll add my parboiled rice at this point. And of course, you can follow me on my other social media platforms. I'll really appreciate having a follow from you. Thank you. I'll mix it well on the surface and then I'll cook it for 20 minutes. This is the rice after 15 minutes. Whenever you get something like this, don't panic. Simply do what I'm doing. Slightly and gently lift the rice on the corners so that the sauce settled on top of the rice can go down so that it can properly cook the rice. If you don't do this, your rice will end up burning seriously and it may not even be properly cooked. Now I'll cook it for the remaining 5 minutes, and this is what the jollof rice looks like. Ooh, jollof rice with pepper chicken is ready. Now it's time for me to mix it properly, like mix it well. Hey, do you like what you see? I like what I see. Oh. Let's serve our jollof rice. Take a look at it. Can you see how it is not sticky and it has a beautiful, delicious color to it? This is jollof rice without coloring. So you don't have to cook your jollof rice with food coloring. No, it's not necessary. All you need to know are the key things that you should do, and you will get a delicious tasting jollof rice that is equally attractive to the eyes. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you subscribed and liked my channel. And of course, please share and remember, good food should be enjoyed. Till I post my next video. Bye.